Hello guys, so what's up? Thank you for joining my channel, Proud Me Shows. Yeah guys, so this is a video that I made for you to watch before you monetize. As you see, I've joined the YouTube Partner Program. Now you can apply for this after you getting the 500 subscribers and the watch time they want. Then you can apply. But before guys, before doing this, before going to the real monetization of ads, like people showing ads on your YouTube channel, whatever, you must be aware of these things, guys. Before your monetization, please don't do this. You see, I'm just right now earning from membership. That's you after applying for the YouTube Partner Program. But before you go for the main earning from ads, before you get that message of congratulations, now you can earn from the video ads and whatever. Guys, check your videos very well. Check your videos very well, cause you know they brought this on my channel, like something like strike. You know strike? Yeah, so and if you get 3 strikes, then just know your YouTube will be banned from earning, and you won't be able to open other YouTube channels. So guys, check your videos very well before you go to monetization process. Check that you have no any copyright, that you have no anything that deals with the guidelines of YouTube Partner Program. You get? And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit up that bell to watch every video that comes around. So I'll be giving you more work. I'll be telling you more about things you need to know in this YouTube process. Just know YouTube is like your job. Take it as something part of your life, you know. Yeah, you know now if you're earning from YouTube, that means it's your job. Take your time, take what you can do, guys, for you to stay on YouTube, because it really makes good money. You will earn from it and you benefit from it, yeah, for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. Love you.